Let's get a quick walk through the van just to give you an idea of my intended layout. It's going to be very close to the Winnebago Travato 59G, which is based on a Ram ProMaster 3500 layout, which is about a foot longer, so we're going to have to cut some length here and there. I'll talk through that, but let's get a look at it. So here's the van. It is a 2015 Ram ProMaster 2500, 159-inch wheelbase, high roof. Stepping into the sliding door, sit right here on the passenger seat and look back. I've got it taped where there will be a bathroom in the back and then a bed, which is nearly a full size. I've had to trim it just short, so that piece of tape is the length of a full-size bed back to the ridge there at the door. And then the width actually tapers, so it starts out 49 inches wide there and tapers down, so that gives more room in the shower and less room where you don't really need as much room for your feet. The bed will be a Murphy bed, so it will fold up against that wall. Storage underneath, down there in particular, a little over the wheel well. And then this is going to be where the battery and power center sits down here. Above it will be some cubby storage and then a small countertop, little space there, and then a microwave air fryer combo, which is a really cool appliance, very versatile. Above that, potentially some opening because it needs air clearance and maybe some storage. So that will come right up to the back of this seat. Dining wheel will sit up there. There will actually be a platform that sits here that keeps these seats set up level with those, so it kind of forms a dining booth. A table will sit here that can then drop down across all four, and we'll pull a rolled up foam pad out, lay it across the four seats, and have a bed for the girls. We'll probably even have clips that go up here and on the other side to hang a curtain that creates their own space. That will be their bedroom up front. Insulated panels on the windows and windshield. So on this side we have the bathroom. That is where the toilet will sit. That's a Laveo dry flush, just kind of getting a feel for that. So this will be kind of a shower area with a small sink that comes up, and underneath the sink the recirculating shower components will be housed. Over here we'll have the rest of the water system, including the freshwater storage tank, which I anticipate to be 40 gallons. Not certain exactly, might be 30. Above that will be some cabinet storage, a countertop, kitchen sink right about here. Above that, so you'll have your counter height, and then some cabinets above. Then the countertop will extend out as a possibility. We'll have some more storage below here, which will open to the outside as well. The kitchen sink will have a faucet that you can pull off, take outside, and rinse off before you get in if need be. A fold-out table for use outside, so that'll give us outdoor and indoor options.